Yeah. I'm rolling stone, baby. Yeah. I'm rolling stone, baby. Yeah. I'm rolling stone, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, I wish I was a catfish swimming oh, in the deep blue sea. I'd have all you pretty women fishing after me, baby. Fishing after me, darling, yeah, yeah. Oh, Lord. Sure enough, baby. Oh, Lord, yeah. Fishing after me, sugar now. Oh, Lord, yes. Oh, Lord, yeah. Oh, Lord. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Well, I decided to keep working, and it is primarily finished. If you can't tell what you're looking at, that bodywork is a YZ250F. Newer model, of course, because you can see by the shrouds and the number plates. Also a newer front fender. You have to do a little drilling in the holes to make them fit in the older YZ models. Still got a few little details to finish up. These are actually some older graphics on some brand new fenders that I scored online, but they're brand new. Also brand new number plates. That is a YZ250F seat, a custom gas tank in order to accept the seat and the shrouds, a special radiator support, That also makes it all work. Still gonna do some, some different colors on the front and on the front fender, but primarily it is done. Looks pretty good and definitely something different. Let's look at everything closely. Let's compare.
So you have a black jacket?
Well, let's compare here.
Yeah, this is definitely different.
Here's the OEM YZ250 shroud. Okay. First of all, it's totally different, right?
Right.
Exactly. It's not even the same. Right. Well, you can compare. Here's a duplicate right over here. Now the trick is it's all OEM plastic. Fender, number plate, seat, shroud, fender. Even the airbox is all original Yamaha 250F. But that's the kicker, is this is all Yamaha parts fitted on a two-stroke.
Completely different. I know it's blue.
Still got blue sprocket. I had to change that was the last touch because they had the wrong bar pad on it. The blue sticks out like a sore thumb now. I mean, the sprocket's okay, I guess. But yeah, basically all of this. Some people are probably going to be highly fumed that I've defaced a 2015 replica. But that's what that one is. Right, who needs two of them? So all this, including the 250 gas tank, which is not nearly the same, as you can see. It's not even close to the same. They've got just colors out the wazoo for, for the 250F and 450 for the newer model, basically. I had to trim the blue off the number, but I got new numbers coming anyway. Yeah, anything that was blue just stuck out like a sore thumb. So these are, amazingly enough, probably 6 years old, but brand new. The graphics and the fenders, as far as the rear fender and the shroud, all came from the same dude that I got this from.
Oh, so
this is
new old stuff.
New but never used, because Jason Lawrence was popular 08, 09, 10 as a Yamaha rider. Of course, Boost Mobile, This was back during the Yamaha of Troy era of racing, which used to be really awesome back in the day. How's it look? Definitely
Black, white, red combo.
It's different.
I like this. I like the look of this.
Right? And I'm actually
and the
looking.
black tank and the black graphic.
Right, it makes it.
Yeah.
That makes the possibilities endless. So I already have, red and black ASVs on it, so it's.
Red. Yellow.
Oh, do a retro
Red,
yellow.
yellow, and black. As is.
It could be done.
Yes. So just do that. And leave the thumper as is, though. The thumper's pretty sweet.
Yeah, it could be done. I mean, the retro yellow could be done.
Who needs two blue bikes?
there it is. It took me 14 hours straight to do it.
When did you do it?
Wednesday night. I started at 7 p.m. and went to bed at 8 in the morning. Because I couldn't stop.
I didn't even notice anything different in our conversations, you know?
Yeah, I was a wreck the next day.
No, you didn't.
But yeah, I'm thoroughly pleased, to say the least.
I knew you did a body change. I knew it. I just didn't know it.
But what's it gonna look like, right? That's
I had no idea. I knew you did a body change, though.
She's a rolling stone, darling, yeah. Let me fuck with it for a minute. She's a rolling stone, baby. No, 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 no.